Hi, my name is Miss Andrea, and I'm going to teach you how to dance to Be Our Guest from the movie Descendants. This is going to be the chorus part, meaning the people singing in the background. It's going to be your choreography, so get up and dance. So this first part, you're going to put your left arm behind your back with a fist, right arm in front, as if you were serving at a fancy restaurant, okay? Feet together. The first part is be our guest, be our guest. So you're going to turn to the right corner and bow. Then turn to the left corner and bow. And the way that I'm doing this is I'm lifting my feet up, and I still have my heels on the ground, but I'm using that to turn. So you're going to turn on B, bow on guest. Turn on B, bow on guest. Okay? You can use your feet to push you, okay? So it's be our guest, be our guest. Okay, one more time. Be our guest, be our guest. Then you're gonna take your right arm out, put our service to the test, gesture the whole audience. So from there, it's put our service to the test. Then from here, you're going to pretend like you have a tie or a napkin around your neck. Tie your napkin around your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Okay? Then you're going to put your arm back in front. Okay? Then you're going to step right together, left together, right together, left together. That's for the part soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres, why we only live to serve. Then you're going to put your feet apart, okay, second position. Then you're going to bounce right, left. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious, don't believe me, ask the dishes. Okay, so you're going to bounce. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious, don't believe me, ask the dishes. Then here, you're gonna step, snap. Step, snap, step, snap, step, snap, step, snap. Keep going, there's never second best. Come on. Then when he says, he meaning Ben, go on, unfold your menu. So you're gonna put your hands together as if it's a menu. Menu, close, open, close. You're not going to sing this part, so he's going to say, we can sing, 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 we can dance, dance, dance. After all, miss, this is France. And the dinner here is never second best. That's not your part, but we're just going to dance there. Then he says, go on, unfold your menu. You're going to bounce. Then swing it this way, okay? Like, whoa!
Like, whoa!
Okay? So it's go on, unfold your menu. Go on, take a glance, and then you. Then you're going to step, snap again. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Yeah. Be our guest, 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 guest. Okay? You're not going to do your head like that, but you can just pause. Okay? And then get ready, because you're going to do the step together again. The part is beef ragout, cheese souffle, pie and pudding and flambe. Then you're going to bounce. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's unprepared. No one's gloomy or complaining while the flatware's entertaining. Every time you do the step together, you're starting with your right first. So let's do it with count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce right, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it with the lyrics again. So it's beef ragout, cheese souffle, pie and pudding and flambe. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's unprepared. All prepared, sorry, not unprepared. No one's gloomy and complaining while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks. And it's all in perfect taste that you can bet. Okay, so you're gonna step, crossover, step, snap, step, crossover, step, snap. Step, crossover, step, snap, step, crossover, step, snap. Come on and lift your glass. Then you're going to pretend like you have a glass in your right hand. Your arm is back here again, your left. Go on and lift your glass. You won your own free pass to be our guest. Then you're going to snap and bounce side to side, okay? And this is when he says, be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest, okay? And then you're going to step snap again. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest. And that's the whole thing.
Ma chère mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now we invite you to relax. Let's pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, cherie, and we'll provide the rest. That's right. 'Cause you're hot and dirt, like we only live to serve. Try the great stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask for dishes.
Make you sing, sing, sing. Make you dance, dance, dance. And the ball is this is friends. And the winner hit is never, never second best. Come on, go on, unfold your menu. Go on, take a glance and menu. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Yeah, come on. Yeah, be our guest, yeah. Be back.
It's so late, I am putting up the bait. David Barrett served with their culinary cabaret.
Sounds so
You're
good.
alone and you're scared, but the banquet's is prepared.
It's all prepared.
The gloomy or complaining while the fat was entertaining. We tell jokes and the tricks with my fellow candlesticks. And it's
Right, crossover, right, snap, left, crossover, snap.
come on and lift your glass. You won your own free pass. Be our guest.
If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Come on, be our guest, be our guest. Come on, be our guest. Ma chère mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now we invite you to relax. Let's pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, cherie, and we'll provide the rest. That's right. You're hot and dirt, why we only live to serve. Try the great stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask for dishes.
Walk around.
Sing, sing, sing. Make you dance, dance, dance. And the ball is this is friends. And the dinner hit is never, never second best. Come on, go on, unfold your menu. Go on, take a glance and menu. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Yeah, come on. Yeah, be our guest, yeah. Be back.
Left together, right together, left together, bounce right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right together, left together, right together.
It's all prepared. Happy entertaining.
Right together, left together, right together, left together, down.
It's all in right there,
Left,
taste it,
right,
you
left, left,
come on and lift your glass. You won your own free
right,
pass.
left.
Be our guest.
If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest.
You want to walk around?
Come on, be our guest, be our guest. Come on, come on. Be be our guest.